We've got to stop this war.
No, I think you're perfectly adorable when you're official.
But Michael, it's war.
Then your league must postpone it until after dinner. We must eat while we can. I'll call for you as usual. Goodbye.
No good, Michael. I can't.
Goodbye.
Don't turn it up, Michael.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
It is my considered opinion, and I must speak frankly now, that the European government be held responsible for this final outrage.
Yeah, I find that it is a dreadful sache.
No, senor.
Mr. President, I protest.
Say, sit down. Our secret police have evidence that the man who fired the shots was a European agent.
Yes, yes.
Moreover, we know that there is a European